Alright, so you get a red cabbage, chop it up, onions, chop it up, different color bell pepper for color, chop it up, cucumbers, chop it up. I got some Kung Pao stir fry sauce, some honey, some minced garlic, black pepper, celery seeds, seasoning, and parsley, along with, of course, soy sauce, okay? Oh, I forgot. Get some carrots, throw them in there too, okay? I baste my pan with extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna throw some of this in here, because why not? Oh, forgot about this. Asian grill stir fry, because I'm making Asian food, so might as well just throw in the seasoning, right? And some of this, actually, we're gonna leave that out. Alright, you throw it all in there. It's gonna look something like this, okay? The key to all good food is seasoning while you're cooking, okay? No. Well, actually before and while, okay? But not after. You don't just throw some seasoning on. You don't do that, okay? I'm gonna throw some of this in there. Just because.